Hi everyone, in this quick video I wanted to show you how to install Org-transclusion for test driving. Now I have Emacs in front of me and this is a Org buffer, and at the moment this Emacs session doesn't have Org-transclusion loaded in. So if I wanted to call Org-transclusion, it doesn't even find Org-transclusion related commands at the moment. Yeah, so what then you can do? Very simple. You can now go to my repo on GitHub, Noviot Org-transclusion, and then download a zip file, right? And then you can expand it anywhere you like in your file system. And once you've done that, come back to Emacs and then invoke code command load file and find your transclusion EL file. And this will load the EL code so that now if I try to invoke org transclusion, you can see all of the transclusion commands in the mini buffer, right? So just I activate, then boom. You can start using the transclusion. If I wanted to deactivate, transclusion, deactivate, and that's it. Right, I'm going to have a separate video to show you the current status of the development. Till then, bye now.